the actual possibility that Dogecoin can hit $1.20. This is gonna be a very detailed video, and I'm gonna tell you guys exactly why I believe, for myself personally, not being a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice, but for myself personally, why I'm holding Dogecoin and why I do truly believe that this will be worth $1.20 one day, and possibly even higher if crypto does really well. And let's talk about that for a second. I think crypto will do very well. You have influencers and people that have been doing this for years, like Cathie Wood, like Elon Musk, like so many others that hold Bitcoin itself. So there's people that think Bitcoin will be worth $1 million one day. And they literally put this out in statements. And Bitcoin today is worth like 63, 64,000. So from going where we're at today, let's just say 100,000 to $1 million, that's a 10x on Bitcoin. Now, obviously that's not gonna happen this year or this bull cycle. There's gonna be another huge bear cycle before 2030, but they're assuming 2030 to 2032, Bitcoin could actually be worth $1 million. So what do you think that's gonna say about altcoins, especially ones like Dogecoin, which a lot of people think is a meme coin, but I actually think it does have some relevance. It's in the top 10 of all cryptos by market cap. Elon Musk has said that he's going to be using Dogecoin as a form of payment in the future. There's a lot of articles about Dogecoin and really what it brings to the table. And I just think Dogecoin has, you know what it's about? It has the cult-like environment, which can make this thing run, but it also has people like Elon Musk talking about it, which can make it run. Plus it's also in the top 10 market cap, which can make it credible and run. As people go into Coinbase or Robinhood, you can buy it on Robinhood, you can buy it on Coinbase. What do you think most people are gonna go to? When they log in and they don't really know much about crypto, they're probably gonna be buying the top 10 cryptocurrencies, okay? Bitcoin will probably be number one, Ethereum number two. But then if people understand charts and news and market cap and things like that, they're probably gonna select a couple within the top 10, maybe top 20, right? They wanna be safe. So I think Dogecoin's gonna go a lot higher. And the reason I think it's gonna go a lot higher is because I just listed all the reasons why. Okay, so do what you're gonna do. I actually ended up buying more, just under 13 cents. Yesterday, I notified the Patreon on that. I've made a ton of posts on the chart, so if you wanna join the links, it's $10 a month. I've called AGIX, Jasmy, AIOZ, Dogecoin, obviously buying at 7 cents. I called SHIB for 150% return. Obviously, it went a lot higher, but now it's pulling back, and I think SHIB might do even better coming soon. So again, Dogecoin, it's at 16 cents right now. Last bought under 13. Let's get into it. Now this is a weekly time frame. I'm gonna show you a monthly time frame and tell you exactly why I think $1.20 can happen for Dogecoin. So stay tuned for that. But I wanna point out a couple things for you guys as we're looking at this. The first thing I want you to look at is the RSI right here. So if everyone can let me know, actually don't need to let me know, I'll let you know. The RSI right now is at 81 on a weekly time frame. Pretty high, right? Pretty high. And we could experience some pullbacks, but I also want you to look at what has Dogecoin done before. If we look over here on a weekly time frame, the RSI has gotten as high as 97. And then it pulls back, which you could see. So way over there, pulled back, and then it went on this massive run, went up again about 95. So over 90. So, and I'm gonna show you on the monthly chart where I think we're at, because I don't even think we're in this massive run yet. I think we're down here, like way back then, where Dogecoin was like January 2021, so about 3 years ago, before the massive rip. And I don't know if Doge will rip as hard as it did, but I do think it'll hit $1.20, and I'm gonna tell you why. So the RSI right now, obviously we're getting overbought. Could see some pullbacks, but I will be buying every dip that I see for Dogecoin. That's why I bought at like $12.94, 12 cents, right under 13 cents yesterday on the pullback. Also bought a little bit of SHIB because I just think they're both gonna run significantly higher. But let's talk about this. So we understand RSI, we understand, so stochastic, pointing up, momentum going up, looks very good. It is not curling down yet. Momentum is not going down yet. Now we know once it gets up here, momentum could come down, and that would be probably the pullback and then the massive rip, probably after the halving, if I had to guess. All this is guesses, right? But I just look at history, what has it done? History tends to repeat itself. Again, I don't know if it's going to repeat itself exactly, but I do feel confident that certain prices will hit for Dogecoin. My first price target would be about 31 cents. The reason for this is the 382 level, and then you obviously have the 618 level, right, at 50 cents. So 50 cents is going to be a strong level of resistance in my opinion. One, it's a mental level, just being 50 cents. Two, being the 618 level, very strong resistance usually for stocks and crypto based off Fibonacci. But once we get through all of that noise, and this is really for people, I don't know if I'll really start trading it once I get there. I probably will take profits at 31 and at 50, being strong levels of resistance based off Fibonacci. But people that are long-term, this thing, when it's ready to run and when Bitcoin starts ripping, and Bitcoin will probably hit at least $102,000, I believe, this cycle, maybe higher, this will go much higher. You'll get a higher return with Dogecoin than you will with Bitcoin, just be my own opinion. Now let's talk to the long-term holders who don't really care about the day trading or the week trading. This is a monthly time frame. And this is so beautiful, guys. Look at this. The RSI right now on a monthly time frame for Dogecoin is at 62. Look previous. How high has it gotten before? It's gotten over 80 plenty of times. We're at 62 right now. When a monthly time frame gets over 80 or even as high as 97, that's kind of where it topped out, I guess. It wasn't the tip top, but right over there. Time to sell everything. So I think my price target of $1.20 is actually conservative when looking at the stochastic right now. And this is exactly where I think we're at right now. So the white arrows, that white arrow, we might dip back a little bit. And that was before the massive run, and then we swing higher. So monthly time frame, again, thinking more long-term, okay? $1.20 is the 1.618 level off of Fibonacci. Last time the cycle hit it hit a 4. It did a full retracement. I'll just tell you guys, a full retracement on this cycle would put you at a $3.07 Dogecoin. I'll sell way before that happens, right? I'm not gonna be an idiot. If I can get at least a 9 to 10x, I mean, I think it could be even higher because I bought in at 7 cents. So I've already doubled my investment. But if I can get even, honestly, my rule of thumb is like 4x. If I can get 4x, 400% return in crypto, that's great. Like I'm gonna take my win and I'm gonna be happy. I don't wanna hold the bag. So again, I'll probably sell out a 90% of my Dogecoin at this price right here. Like 90%, if not all of it. It's really gonna depend where's Bitcoin at, where are we at with the RSI on all time frames, where's the overall stock market at. You know, I'm gonna be evaluating a lot of different things, but right now, trading under 16 cents, for me, it's a hold. I'm not selling, I'm not buying anymore right now. If it dips, I will buy more alongside of the other cryptos that I've been calling out. Again, if you guys want to support the channel, if you want to join the team, I give a lot more technicals based off this stuff, and we call out a lot of different cryptos that I'm very bullish on long term. Join the links out down below. Hope you guys have a great day. See you on the next one.